everybody, this is Micah from Food Travelers and welcome to another mini series. In this mini video, we are sharing our experience on Planet Hollywood Hotel in Las Vegas. Starting off in this video, we are in the hotel lobby. As you can see, there is only one line here. Before we headed to the hotel lobby, there was actually an option for us to do an express check-in through the email that we received. Unfortunately, did not make very much sense because in the email it says once you're checked in, you can go to the hotel front desk and just pick up your keys. However, when we got there, there was just this one line, so it felt like it was pretty redundant of doing that. And you're pretty much just going through the whole process again, checking in and grabbing your keys. Card that you use to book your hotel stay, make sure you're bringing that card and you have that card with you. The whole process is actually very fast and very quick and easy. Once you plug in your credit card here, as you saw in the video, all your information will pull up and you just follow what's on the screen and your room keys will print out. So as you enter this room, you can see it's very big. And this room that we got is called Ultra Hip 2 Queen Non-Smoking. And as you can see all the decorations here, it matches the room very well. It's very hip. As you can see here, the window is on the right side of the wall, and it does feel very strange to me being on the right side and having nothing on the left. And you can see in the far distance Topgolf and also the mountains, and you can also see the airplanes taking off and landing as well. It's very spacious. I really like this wall color being white, so it makes the room feel even larger. As you can see here, there's all the basic amenities. The closet here with the ironing board. There's also the safe refrigerator as well. And as you enter the bathroom, it's actually very large. I think that's one of the larger bathrooms that we've had in our stays here in Las Vegas. It's so big and it's really bright as well. So it does come with all your basic amenities. So it has a really big tub if you do like soaking in rather than a walk-in shower. And I think another great thing with this hotel is having a separated toilet seat. When you're doing your business in there, the smell doesn't come over to the other side, which is always great. Water pressure is very good in this one. It heats up to hot really quick. So a couple other things I do want to mention here is internet is also very fast. You only have 2 devices that you can connect. Additional devices that you do connect is additional charge. So in terms of the plugs, I think this hotel could have had more plugs. You see here in the video, there is this extension for plugs, and then there's this hole cutout. So in order to access the wall outlet for that hole cutout, you actually have to reach behind the desk and actually crawl underneath it just to reach that outlet. This light fixture right next to the 2 beds in the center, it has the 2 USB outlets and 2 wall outlets style charge. As you walk into the room, it will be dark and this light won't be on, and to turn it on, there is this tiny button right in the center of it. And to wrap up the video, to mention about the checkout process, is actually very easy and very convenient. You can just do it through your phone, go through the process of checkout. And one of the options that they gave us was to check out between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So you do have a little bit more time to leave your hotel room. To drop off those keys, all you have to do is just go down the elevator and there's a little box there and you can just drop it off, so you don't have to go through the kiosk process again. So it's very convenient. And to support our channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. For more photos of food and our travels, follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.